The second version of the Minimalist library comes with the single unified library, which is light themed by default, but we can change it to any color we want. For previewing, I think that light theme worked the best, so I decided to keep it as a default one. But to change the colors, we will need to change a few swatches. We can do that by selecting some element and clicking here in the sidebar color, or we can open the swatch manager using the icon here in the right bottom corner, or using the window swatch manager shortcut. And from here, basically what we need to do is to change the secondary and primary colors. The primary is used for the background and secondary is used for the text. So, for example, well, we don't want to set the secondary for background. It always should be primary. So let's switch the primary and secondary colors. So for the background, I want to have something dark. So usually it is the black or something close to completely black. The primary variant will be a lighter version of black. The secondary will be used for headings most of the time. Should be white, and the secondary variant will be maybe a little bit different white. And now after changing all of this, I basically switched the primary and secondary, as you can see. All of the elements, all of the hundreds of sections are now switched colors. Text and background were switched, and now all of the text is white and backgrounds are dark. And you're not limited to using black or white. You can actually set the background using the primary swatch to something like red. And you can change the, for example, the secondary variant, which is used for regular text. You can change the contrast a little bit to make it less visible like that. And keep in mind, you don't need to follow this for every section. You can customize any section to whatever you want. And I will show you how to do that in the later videos.